Hello student, let us continue exercise 5.3. We have already discussed question number 1, 2 and now we discuss question number 3, part 8. We have already discussed part 1 to 7. Part 8th, 9th, 10th, very most important part. Given an equal to 4, d equal to 2, sn equal to minus 14. Given an equal to 4, d equal to 2, sn equal to minus 14, find the n and a. L equal to an equal to 4. This is your last term. This is your given. And d equal to 2. This is also given. Now, formula of an is a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 4. Value of d is 2. So we write value of d is 2. Now a as it is plus 2 into n. 2n minus 2 1 ja 2 equal to 4. A plus 2n equal to 4. Transpose of minus 2 to the right side, change with the sign, that is plus 2. Minus 2 change in right side, plus 2. Plus 4 plus 2 plus 6. Transpose of 2n to the right hand side, change with the sign, that is minus 2n. Plus 2n change in right side, minus 2n. This is your second equation. Now first equation, Sn equal to minus 40. This is your given. Formula of Sn, n by 2 bracket a plus l, l for last term. 1 upon 2, reciprocal of 1 upon 2, that is 2 upon 1. So we write minus 14 upon 2 upon 1, that is minus 28. Value of L is 4. Value of L is 4. So we write 4. And a plus 4. 14 to the minus 28. This is your first equation. Put the value of a. Put the value of a in equation 1 and we get n bracket a plus 4 equal to minus 28. Value of a is 6 minus 2n. So we write value of a is 6 minus 2n plus 4 bracket close n equal to minus 28. 6 plus 4 10. 10 minus 2n bracket close n minus 28. Now multiply n by 10 minus 2n. 10 into n, 10n minus n into minus 2n, minus 2n square. Transpose of minus 28 to the right hand side, change with its sign, that is plus 28. Now divide on both sides by minus 2 and we get, if divide this term by minus 2 we get n square. If divide second term by minus 2, we get minus 5n. 2 5 is 10, minus 5n. Divide 28 by minus 2, we get minus 14, equal to 0. Now, product is 14, minus 14, and sum is minus 5. We use the middle term splitting method. Now minus 14 can be write minus 7 multiply 2. Minus 7 to the minus 14. Minus 7 plus 2 minus 5. So we write minus 5 can be minus 7n plus 2n. This is your middle term splitting method. Your middle term is minus 5n, can be write minus 7n plus 2n. Minus 14 as it is, plus n square as it is. Now take n common from first two term, we get n minus 7. Take 2 common from last two term, we get n minus 7. Now check n into n, n square. N into minus 7, minus 7n. 2 into n, 2n. 2 into minus 7, minus 14, equal to 0. N minus 7, n minus 7. Now take n minus 7 common from both terms. We get n plus 2. Again repeat, take n minus 7. We get n plus 2. Now n minus 7 equal to 0 or n plus 2 equal to 0, n equal to 7 or n equal to minus 2. Minus 2 rejected because number cannot be negative. Number cannot be negative. N is number of terms. Because number of terms cannot be negative, so minus 2 is rejected. And so we take value of n is 7. This is your first answer. Now we find value of a. Put the value of n equal to 7 in equation 2. A equal to 6 minus 2n. A equal to 6 minus 2n. Value of n is 7. So we write minus 2 multiply 7. Minus 2 multiply 7 minus 14. 6 minus 14 minus 8. 6 and 14 both have opposite signs, so we find difference, and their difference is minus 8. Hence value of n is 7 and value of a is 8. Minus 8. This is your required answer. Again repeat. 6 and 14 both have opposite signs, so we find difference, and their difference is 8, and 8 is obtained from 14, and sign of 14 is negative, so sign of 8 is also negative. Now ninth part. A equal to 3, n equal to 8, s equal to 198. This means S8 equal to 192. Sorry. S8 equal to 192. Now these are given value. Now we write formula of Sn n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 192. Value of n is 8, 8 upon 2, 2. Value of a is 3, so we write 2 into 3. And value of n is 8, 8 minus 1 into t, bracket close, 192. Reciprocal of 8 upon 2 is 2 upon 8. So we write 192 multiply 2 upon 8. 2 3 is 6. 7, 8 minus 1, 7. 7d. 6 plus 7d equal to 192 multiply 2 upon 8. Now we solve. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 ja 16, 4 8 ja 32. That is 48. 6 plus 7d equal to 48. Transpose of plus 6 to the right hand side, change with its sign, that is minus 6. 48 minus 6, 42. 42. Divide by 42 by 7, we get 42 upon 7, that is 6. 6 is your answer. This is your required value of D. Now we discuss last part of this question. L equal to 28, S equal to 44, and N equal to 9. N equal to 9. Now N equal to 9, L equal to 28, S equal to 48. Sn equal to 144. Sn equal to n by 2, a plus L equal to 144. Value of n is 9, 9 upon 2, bracket a plus L is last term is 28. Bracket close equal to 144. Reciprocal of 9 upon 2 is 2 upon 9. So we write 144 multiply 2 upon 9. 9 1 ja 9. 9 1 ja 9. 5 9 6 ja 54. 16 2 ja 32. 16 2 ja 32. Now transpose of 28 to the right side, change with the sign, that is minus 28. 32 minus 28, 4. Value of a is 4. This is your required value. Now do question number 3 in your fair notebook and revise unit 5. Thank you.